Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm gonna be doing a vlog, kind of like a getting my life together vlog. I'm just gonna be cleaning my apartment, getting my nails done because broke one of my nails and they are just like super grown out. Also filming some content and stuff like that. So I'm just basically doing a whole bunch of things that I have had on my to-do list that I just like really need to get done and kind of getting my life together. So just like a productive vlog. Hopefully you guys find this motivational and it inspires you to be productive as well. So I just thought I'd take you guys along on my productive day. Currently I'm about to go to my nail appointment and then I'm just going to come back and clean and do all those other things I said. I will just talk to you guys once I get back from my appointment. So I just got my nails done. They look like this. I literally could not decide what to do. Like I was looking at all these cute Pinterest pictures. I literally could just not decide. Like I just could not decide. I just went with something simple. I just went with this cute kind of like pastel purple color. I really just like this color. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it's a really cute color. I think I'll just do something kind of fun and funky next time. I just had to pick up a package from my parents' house. My dog is like jumping at the door to go for a walk. So I think I'm just gonna take my dog on a quick little walk. It is a little bit later. I'm back from getting my nails done. Right now, I'm just going to pick up my apartment. I'm not really deep cleaning, although I did do a deep cleaning video if you guys want to check it out and get some inspiration on that. I'm just gonna get started with cleaning. So it's a little bit later and my apartment is finally picked up. Looking at my to-do list for the day. I was going to reorganize my clothing rack, but I'm going to film a spring haul tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to do it today. I think I'm gonna wait to do my clothing rack until then because I'm gonna have a bunch of cute new things from Boohoo, like bright spring colored things. So I think I might go ahead and just vlog tomorrow as well. I think for now, I'm just going to kind of plan out the rest of my week because I feel like I have a bunch of random things I need to get done. I just need to kind of write it down. I feel like I have all these ideas and things I need to get done in my head and I need to like actually put it into my digital calendar or write it down. So hopefully you guys are enjoying so far. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you are. Comment down below some of your productivity tips or also random but like nail ideas because I am gonna get my nails done in a couple weeks and I need some ideas. I think that's probably gonna be all for today's vlog since I am gonna vlog tomorrow as well. Good morning, so it's the next day. I've just woken up. I am gonna make a smoothie. I always do this like first thing. I usually make my smoothie right when I wake up, and then I'll just kind of go through my emails and plan out my day as I'm drinking my smoothie. I actually showed this my morning routine, which I just posted, so definitely check that out. Over the last few weeks, or maybe even longer, I've been using this superfood mix from Your Super. It just has all these really great ingredients that you need in one like little mix that's really easy to just put into a smoothie, or you put it into like oatmeal or pancakes probably. It's just so convenient. The mixes don't expire quickly like fresh produce, and they don't require any prep. You literally just scoop them and mix them in. They're so easy. I just love the convenience of them, and they'll increase your energy levels naturally, allows you to thrive at work, pursue passion projects, and also just accomplish your personal goals as well. I really struggle with having energy. I feel like I'm always tired and groggy, so anything I can do to increase my energy levels, I'm all for, especially doing that naturally. I love coffee, obviously. Caffeine's not the most healthy way to get energy. So the Energy Bomb mix, which I used yesterday, I'm probably gonna use the Forever Beautiful one today, but the Energy Bomb I used yesterday, it releases natural energy over 6 to 8 hours. Since it's like a coffee alternative, it can really increase your sleep quality, reduce anxiety, improve digestion. It can also help metabolize and reduce cholesterol. So there's a lot of really great benefits. The Your Super mixes can also help manage stress, which I am all about. Today, I think I'm gonna use the Forever Beautiful mix, which helps increase your overall intake of vitamin C. Vitamin C is really good for your skin. It can also help reduce inflammation and irritation, protects the body's natural collagen as well, and it can also help with your skin's hydration, which is great coming out of winter because my skin is super dry. It can also help reduce acne and symptoms of psoriasis and eczema. Those are just some of the mixes that I'm gonna be using. But yeah, all the Your Super mixes are very convenient and just have those superfood ingredients in them that you need. And for me, I struggle to work into my daily intake of foods. So I've just been really loving them. If you guys wanna check them out, I'm gonna have a link at the top of my description. So just click that link there at the top if you guys want to order any Your Super mixes. There are so many different ones. They have a mix for pretty much anything you can think of, so definitely make sure to check them out at the top of my description. Like I said, I'll have it linked there. So I'm just gonna make my smoothie and use the Forever Beautiful mix to help with my skin and everything like that. So I've just been sitting here kind of getting some stuff done, planning out my day. Now I'm just going to get ready for the day, so I'll just check in with you guys once I'm ready. So it's a little bit later and I've just gotten ready for the day. I'm just gonna take a second to kind of pick up my room, mostly just make my bed so I can film that clothing haul, because right now my room is a little bit messy. I'm also going to unbox the package that I have from Boohoo. I was waiting to unbox it so I could show you in this vlog. Okay, so I just unboxed those items from Boohoo. I'll show you guys a quick little preview, but definitely make sure to check out the haul. Here's like a quick little sneak peek of what I picked up. I think I'm just going to film the try on part first, where I like try everything on so I can actually see it and feel it and see how it fits before I'm actually talking about it in the video. That is my plan, but I think I might have lunch. everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. So today I'm going to be doing a spring clothing haul, so kind of like transitional spring pieces and just kind of like spring must-haves. Okay, so it is a little bit later. I've just filmed the Boohoo try on, the Boohoo haul, had lunch, got coffee. Now I think I'm going to switch out my clothing rack because I have a lot of kind of like winter-ish pieces on there. I mean, they're not like super wintry, but kind of wintry, and I want to switch them out for a lot of like pastel fun colors and like more spring items. I guess that's probably gonna be pretty much it once I do that, because I need to edit the Boohoo haul. I have to get that edited today, and I also have to edit this vlog and get this video like pretty much edited today. So I'll probably end the vlog after I'm done kind of like reorganizing my clothing rack. Also, how cute is this top from Boohoo? It's just like this sheer little green kind of button up. I will link it below if you guys are interested. And then I have these jeans from Princess Polly. They're just like these crisscross kind of jeans. They're like literally my favorite jeans. I just love this outfit. I think it's so cute for the spring. So there is the updated clothing rack with some pastel colors and kind of like spring pieces. Honestly, it does look kind of cluttered. When I originally got this, it was just supposed to be kind of like cute and aesthetic. I kind of use it for extra storage and kind of like stuff it for each season. It looks better because at least it's not like fall colors. It's more spring colors, but I'll have to kind of like organize it a little bit more. So I got all of those clothes put up. I reorganized my clothing rack slightly. I mean, I wouldn't say it's organized, but I updated it, I guess. I think I might just go ahead and end this vlog here because I'm pretty much just gonna be editing the rest of the day. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and comment below some things you like to do on a productive day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Definitely make sure to check out Your Super. I'll have it linked at the top of the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.